Hello, and welcome back to our channel. As always, we review one of the most interesting crypto projects and crypto startups. As crypto market is unpredictable as it usually are, it is really important to be very careful where to invest. In this episode, we will review one of the most interesting projects called Caiz. What is Caiz? Caiz platform is where ethics and innovation intersect, offering you a reliable and forward-thinking financial ecosystem experience with a peace of mind. Caiz is Sharia-compliant. Guided by Islamic principles and verified by respected scholars, products offer both financial integrity and adherence to faith-based values. Find out how Sharia-compliant offerings can align with your financial goals. Ethical and transparent crypto journey starts here. Every product and service offer is certified by our in-house Sharia Supervisory Committee. CAIZ is designed to serve over 2 billion people worldwide, breaking barriers and ensuring seamless access for everyone. Its commitment to lawfulness, trustworthiness, and ethical financial practices sets us apart from all the others. One ecosystem. All the financial services you need. Dive into the heart of Caiz's integrated ecosystem, where real use cases meet cutting-edge innovation. From our core blockchain to our dynamic wallet and beyond. Explore each component below and discover how we're revolutionizing the world of Islamic finance. Why CAIZCOIN and why deflationary tokenomics are unique. The current circulating supply of CAIZCOIN is 40 million, of which 20 million are locked in the liquidity pool. As the number of verified user accounts grows, more CAIZCOINs become available within the ecosystem. Currently, the Elastic token release amount is 7.75 CAIZCOIN for every new verified user account. The CAIZCOIN token is a digital currency, a payment token that serves as a payment mechanism within the Caiz chain, enabling fast and secure transactions while also functioning as a store of value. Its primary function lies in providing access to the applications, products, and services available within the ecosystem, including buying and selling goods and services, participating in Caiz URL and accessing premium features. Key CAIZCOIN utilities. The key functions of the CAIZCOIN token include access to ecosystem. CAIZCOIN tokens are required to access various applications, products, and services within the Caiz chain ecosystem. This could include premium features, exclusive content, or participation in specific programs like Caiz URL. Participation in Caiz URL. The token may be used to participate in Caiz URL, indicating that users can potentially earn rewards or benefits within the ecosystem through specific activities. Payment mechanism. Users can use CAIZCOIN tokens to make transactions within the Caiz chain ecosystem. This could include buying and selling goods and services, transferring funds, or engaging in other financial activities. Store of value. The token serves as a store of value, meaning users can hold and retain value in the form of CAIZCOIN tokens. This function is similar to traditional currencies or assets that people use to store wealth. Caiz app. The Caiz app serves as the centerpiece of the extensive CAIZ ecosystem. With the app, you can maintain complete control over your digital assets and access all the features of the ecosystem. Check your transaction history and stay up to date with the latest market value of Caiz. It can be downloaded onto a mobile phone or accessed via a web page. We will leave all the links about this crypto below in a video description and comment section. Of course, check them out and do your own research. Thank you for watching and see you on the next episode.